Hey friends, it's your pal Arty Loon here, and welcome to your official Arty Loon Show Magic Kit tutorial where I take you step by step through every single magic trick and show you the ins and outs of what it takes to be an amazing magician. I'm super excited to be here. Let's get your lesson started now. Congratulations on receiving your official Arty Loon Show Magic Kit. What you'll receive is your famous zigzag pencil, your mystery spot trick, and your floating match trick. Not just that, you'll also receive a booklet with 50 additional magic tricks you can learn from household items. The mystery of the amazing spot. We have 6 on one side, 3 on the other, 4 on this side, and 1 on this side. How can that happen? Because when there's 6 on this side, 3 on the other, you can't have 4 on this side when there's only 1 on this side. Again, there's 6 on one side, 3 on the other, 4 on this side, and 1 on this side. That's a lot of sides. Curious to see how this works? The secret comes up next. Here's the secret to the amazing spot trick. How does it work? Well, it's a little psychology. Here's what happens. As you can see, there's only 5 on this side. If you turn it over without your fingers, there's only 2 on this side. When I cover my fingers in the empty spot and say 6, little friends will believe you and see 6. The other side is only 2 spots. However, same principle. You're going to cover the empty spot, show it, and say 3. Again, your friends will assume there's only 3 on that side. Here's where the sneaky part comes in. On the back of the card, there's only 5. But you're going to cover up the spot in the middle. You turn it around and say 4. And to show 1, there's only 2 spots on this side, but you're going to cover the spot on the bottom, turn it around, and show them you only have 1. Again, you cover up the empty space, say 6. You cover up the other empty space, you say 3. Then you cover up the dot in the middle, you say 4. And you cover up the dot in the bottom, and you say 1. When you do this kind of quickly, the illusion is amazing. Your lesson comes up next. Here's your lesson for the amazing spot trick. You bring out your card from either from your case or from your backpack. You then show the card like this, already with your 2 fingers covering up the empty space. Then you say 6. There are 6 spots on this side of the card. Then you reach behind, you put your fingers on the empty space, you turn the card around, and you show them there are 3 spots on this side. Does anyone remember how many spots they were on the other side? They'll say 6. You then put your 2 fingers, or your whole hand, and you turn the card over, and you say, nope, there's only 4. Someone has a bad memory. But I'll give you guys another chance. How many dots were on the other side of the card? They'll say 3. They believe they saw 3. You then reach behind your card, you cover up the spot with 2 fingers or your hand, you turn the card around, and you show there's only 1. You say, wow, you guys seriously need some ginkgo biloba. Or you guys have a bad memory. Then, you reach behind your card, you cover up the empty space one more time, you turn the card around, show there's 6, and say, I'll give you guys another chance. There are 6 on one side. This time, you're going to up the pace just a little bit more. You cover up the blank space, you show 3 on this side, and don't forget, there's 4 on the other. Oh, and did I mention that there's only 1 on this side? Remember, covering up the little spots when you say 4 and 1. And then you continue on with the trick and you do this just a little bit faster. You go, remember, there's only 6 on one side and 3 on this side. And don't forget, there's 4 on this side and 1 on the other. You guys got it? A little note on the amazing spot trick, the way you turn it is important. You hold on to the card just like this, either with a full hand or 2 fingers. You then turn the card to show 3 like this. You hold on to the bottom of the card and you show it like this. Turn it around from the bottom. You then take your hand and you grab the card just like this and turn it that way. This is the same movement throughout the entire trick. Work on this so that way you're able to cover the spots quickly and there's no weird movement, like trying to figure out how to put your hand. That kind of gives the trick away. So make sure to practice this a few times to make sure you have it smoothly. That's your lesson for the amazing spot trick. I hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you once again for joining us here on your official Magic Kit tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed all those fun magic tricks, and we hope to see you guys again next time.